I'm Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip on Clear My Space and Guardian Angel for aura clearing and energy maintenance throughout the holidays. So Clear My Space is great to use anytime you just want to remove unwanted or undesired energy from your space. It helps with establishing boundaries, clearing out lower frequencies, also helping to uplift you so that you draw in more positive vibrations of love and light. So especially nowadays where you're constantly bombarded by so many dimensions of different types of energy, it's really easy for things to creep into your space unknowingly, whether you're on your mobile phone or you're in a busy space or you're at home alone working on your computer. Energy is everywhere and there's so many different forms, and that is why we recommend Clear My Space. It's our most robust all-around energy cleanser for clearing and also beginning to shield your energy. You can take it to the next level by combining it with our Guardian Angel. And our Guardian Angel is really good for energy shielding and protection. When you get tired, let's face it, sometimes you're not as aware of what creeps in or what you're vibrating with. When you are working with different types of energy, frequency is everything. And so if something on a lower frequency than your ideal energy level is creeps in, you need something to help push it out. And so Clear My Space can be applied over the main energy centers, forehead, temples, throat, down the center and back. And then Guardian Angel, the most important place to spray the Guardian Angel would be over your forehead, temples, throat, front and back, near the base of the skull, okay? But heart center and back. And then I also go over the root and sacral chakra areas, as well as throughout your aura. But if you just had a quick moment, I would say, Clear My Space, here, 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 here. And then Guardian Angel, forehead, temples, exactly the same way. And if you have a little more time to work with it, you can go into more of a meditative space by working with the Clear My Space, taking a few deep centering breaths, and also spraying it, 5 to 7 sprays throughout the room you're in, and then just letting it sink in, and then following with the Guardian Angel. And you can even add a little visualization or mantra repetition if you want, whatever helps to strengthen and fortify the idea that your energy is shielded and protected. It can be great to work with Clear My Space when you first come home from a busy day, and then to follow with Guardian Angel before you go to bed. But also first thing in the morning to clear out any unwanted energies. You release a lot through your subconscious at night while you sleep. And then Guardian Angel to help shield you before you go out, before you're in traffic or near the commuter rails or whatever it is, before you're going to work. Same things with your children, shielding them with Guardian Angel when they go to school, and then clearing them with the Clear My Space right before they come home. So these are our 2 most beloved sprays for energy clearing and protection. And we also recommend, if you're a healing practitioner or someone that is meeting with other professionals or a teacher in a classroom throughout the day, working with these regularly throughout the day to just keep your energy field strong and protected and as an overall maintenance system. So that's Guardian Angel and Clear My Space. Thank you very much.